We're going to take it down to Hudlow Axle in Ringgold, Georgia. You know what? I love Hannah Montana. And it could be bent in this. I don't want to let the magic smoke out. Look at the Robic go.
Robic go.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video on our 2013 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road. In the last video, we got this sucker up on the frame machine. We pulled on it a little bit. We got almost all of that out, almost 100%. We still need just a little bit. Me and JP, we've been measuring it up. So what we're gonna do is gonna pull on this hanger a little bit. We're gonna measure it again and see where we're at. See if we can get everything 100% lined up. Get this sucker off the frame machine, get started on something else, because that's what we need to do. This truck is really, really nice. We can't wait to get it done. So let's get started and let's start working. After some careful calculations and measurements, we think we see the small problem. I think I put this spring in backwards. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna bust it all back down. We're gonna flip it around, put it in the right way, maybe put the other side in. Both sides need to be the same. So if we're gonna measure it, we know this is bent. You know, this right here is gonna throw us off. We've got this straight. So I mean, this is perfectly straight. Everything's measuring good. So let's just take the spring out, flip it around, put it back in, see what we got. Man, check that out. This truck is coming together. It's going absolutely amazing. We got both the springs changed out on that rear end. It is beautiful. Everything's coming together. I need to get it down. I got that new bracket ordered for the spring. I'm gonna put that in. So when we get that new bracket for our rear relief spring, if that doesn't line up our rear end perfectly straight, we're gonna drop the axle out. We're gonna take it down to Hudlow Axle in Ringgold, Georgia, and let them check it out and see if it's straight. If not, they can straighten it up, make it 100% OEM. So things are really coming together. I'm gonna get this truck down off the frame machine today. So in the next video, be expecting to see this sucker hit the road, because I do want to see how it drives. But I do think that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, guys. Don't forget to follow us at Real Orange Wires on Instagram. Give us a like, leave us a comment down below. Until next time, we're out.